Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Strong Coffee Beige Edition Lemon Lime. First thing you gotta do, you open up this lemon lime carbonated water and you pour it into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the strong coffee. Just gotta taste it. The bubbles. And then pour a little more of it in there. And then last but not least, you add in the milk. And there you are, folks. Here is your carbonated strong coffee Beige Edition Lemon Lime. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.